Hey, you on the couch. Are you tired of reliable air conditioning and extra space? Come on down to the Tampa Bay RV Show at the Florida State Fairgrounds, complete with all your favorite RV, travel trailer, and fifth wheel brands that have got your back. And if Anne Hathaway has been feeling down recently with her movie career, don't worry, Cedar Creek has got her back too. Come over and just view, without touching, some of the most luxurious campers you'll ever feast your eyes upon, because chances are, you won't be bringing these bad boys home with you. See what the 21st century bourgeoisie are enjoying at the cost of your labor, like classy hotel-style bedding, Star Trek-looking controls, and an in-wall coffee pot that looks surprisingly common. You'd think for dropping that kind of money I'd get a little something more substantial in the coffee department. Oh well, let's just drive from the campground to the nearest Starbucks. Oh wait, are you serious? No! If those RVs were impossibly over your price range, then check out these other campers that are only way over your price range. This time, just pile in with your family and check out some of the unique offerings these brands can give you. Like this red tent, you're obviously not tall enough to get into, but don't worry, it'll fall off once you start driving. As you sneak through these salesman minefields, you'll note how you've actually entered into an insidiously planned maze of recreational vehicles. Because these companies had one goal with setting up their sections: never letting you escape. But after the salesmen see that you only have enough money to window shop, they'll point you to their sweepstakes games for a minimal chance to win an RV. You know you have no chance to win if even kids enter. At some point during the day, during the Tampa Bay RV Show, you'll realize that the only thing missing from the experience is food, that you won't regret eating later. But don't worry, these vendors will make sure this doesn't cheapen your experience. Perhaps this is why many parents will leave their children at home, but choose instead to bring their discount hairy children, because apparently, price gouging humans is considered humane, but pets seem to get off easy. Don't tempt me, Wallet. Before you tell your friends your fake reason to go back to your car and leave.
813, please return to your vehicle, the lights are on.
Make sure to check out the variety of entertainment only here at the Tampa Bay RV Show. I'm pretty sure they didn't know what this crowd would want, so they just threw everything they could at them. Like a Transformer DJ. Except when it breaks down. A band of European illegals.
You're not going to go sharing that with any local authorities or anything, are you?
Star Trek lady. Incidentally, whose sign would make more sense if it said, I am here. And lastly, a nice but confused older couple.
I like that Batman.
I'm not Batman. So enjoy your day at the Tampa Bay RV Show at the Florida State Fairgrounds, and let them know that RV Bear sent you. So, I think you enjoyed that promo. I mean, hey, they are still watching it, right? Make sure to click that thumbs up button now, because I heard your little sister likes to dislike videos at random on YouTube, so help us to keep up the good fight. Also, check out our promo of the Daytona Beach Turkey Rod Run, as presented by Marty Malay. Lastly, let us know where you're from below in the comments. Say it loud and say it proud. May your hibernation be acceptable.